boys and girls, it's the creator of Bored with Miss Reynolds, Better Off Reading Every Day, and I have two fun ones for you. One is balls. This one. Balls. And the next one is a rhyme and discover book. We are outside so you can hear it all out here. We are bored on location. Bored on location. When Miss Reynolds goes away for a couple of days and she gets to read to you from all these different places. Sometimes it's about balls all over the world, and sometimes it's rhyme and discovery. You ready? And this is gonna be fun because twinkle, twinkle, little star, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Somebody is going somewhere or coming from somewhere really good up in the sky. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Little Bo Peep. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, bringing their tails behind them. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Three little kittens. Three little kittens, they lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother there, we sadly fear our mittens we'll have lost. Bingo. There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. This book actually makes some really good sounds along with the words. Ready? So that's what that has. all this good stuff. All this good stuff in this book. Let's move on to the balls, why don't we? Balls. This book is written by Melanie Davis Jones and illustrated by Linda Bronson. Now, my niece loves balls. Balls roll. Balls roll. This one rolls. Balls spin. Balls spin. Spin, ball, spin, spin, spin. Spin, ball, spin. Balls knock down bowling pins. Balls knock down bowling pins. Balls zoom, balls fly. Balls pop up to the sky. Balls pop up to the sky. I've got the whole world in my hand. Balls bounce, balls soar. Balls go in the net to score. Balls go up, balls go down. Balls go up, balls go down. Count how many balls are round. Count how many balls are round. I see 2 round balls. 1, 2. Balls are big and balls are small. This one's kind of big. I would have to say this one's kind of big. Count how many balls in all. Count how many balls in all. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls in all. And that is the end, boys and girls. But our word list had 29 words. Let's go over them. All, are, balls, big, bounce, bowling, count, come, down, fly. The planes are flying by. We're using one of our words, fly. Go, how, in, knock, many, net, pins, pop, roll, round, score, sky, small, soar, spin, the, to, up, zoom. Here are our words from this book. It is Bored with Miss Reynolds, better off reading every day. Today we read this one and this one. We read Rhyme and Discover book. That was the talking book, and we read Balls. Boys and girls, it is Bored with Miss Reynolds, creator of Bored with Miss Reynolds, better off reading every day. And I do not own the rights to this book that I have read to you, but I love storytelling magic, and the magic of today's story is I am away on board on location out here visiting my niece, That's the location. And we are reading some books and having some fun. Then I'm going to be back with my kids in school, and we are going to be back to learning from our day off. Today we had a day off because we are celebrating Yom Kippur. That's why I was able to take a quick trip out of town to visit my family and see my sweet little niece, who, by the way, loves balls, balls, balls. She loves wheels and she loves balls. Kind of like her dad. So let's take a quick twirl while the planes are flying by before we get out of here. I am just all over this big, beautiful world with my love of reading. From where? B.O.R.E.D. Better off reading every day. We'll see you soon. Bye.